I seriously should have had that on video. Okay, she's not up here yet. There she comes. Oh, nope. There we go. Yeah. What are you doing? Are you going to... That's my nose. Okay. Seriously. Off my mouth. Yeah, kisses were required, but not those. I want your butt in my face. Come on. Hey, you. With the pointy beak. Hey. Squirt, let go of that. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Mwah! What a good kiss. Give me another one. Mwah! Good kisses. Ready? Mwah! Mwah! See, she's a French kisser. It's kind of gross. But all the kisses, all of them. Oh, every single one. Oh, that's the nostril. No. They got any hairs? Got any hairs? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got 100% a turd bucket on the other. Oh, yep. Oh, now. That's the best. Oh, are we upside down? Okay. No, we weren't upside down. Are we up? No, we're upside down. Yeah. This. Yeah. She's not even one yet. She needs all the training in the world. I'm trying. Give me kisses. Give me a kiss. Mwah. See? Do my best. Give me another kiss. Come on. Kiss, kiss. She's like, no, I'd rather chew on your strings. Give me a kiss. Hey. Mwah. Good girl. One more. Mwah.